My name is Stephen. I'm a pastor and I rank GIMP 4 out of 5 stars. For more reviews, click the link below. Before moving to GIMP, I'd used Photoshop before, but when they went to a subscription basis, I needed something more budget friendly and made the switch to GIMP, which was able to do everything that I needed to do. One of the main reasons I went with GIMP is the wide community support that GIMP has. There's a lot of people using it, so you can get tips on how to do different things. There's an increase of plugins available, so its usability is always getting increased. It was very easy switching to GIMP. It's got a straightforward layout, and there's a lot of support boards. So if there's questions that come up, it's easy to get those answered really quickly. For anyone looking to use GIMP, I'd recommend getting involved with the forums. There's a lot of support. There's a lot of plugins. There's a lot of users that'll help you get the most out of GIMP. It is a very powerful graphic editing process software. Can do anything that most people need to do.